5 Alpha Bravo, give way to a Cessna. It's going to be taxiing opposite direction on Foxtrot. Runway 36 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Come on to the right.
We gave way to the
Cessna. So you see this yellow line right here?
Foxtrot 36 left, 5 Alpha Bravo.
So try to keep that yellow line in between your legs. Tower 520, coming ready, 27.
520, runway Lakefront Tower, runway 27, line of way, traffic departure, runway 36 left.
Line of way, 270, coming.
70, runway 27, clear for takeoff, right downwind departure proof.
Can we get a left down?
70, runway firm.
Alright, left downwind departure, clear to go through, 270, go. Full throttle, all the way in. Alright, airspeed looks good. 45, 50, 55, pull back slightly. That's it, just leave it right here. And we're off. And they're standing right there. Wow.
5 Alpha Bravo, contact Noah's departure, have a good flight.
Going to departure, 5 Alpha Bravo.
There you go. Alright, let go of the rudder. So now she's in a turn. Now if you want to go the other way, right rudder, right over.
Hey, going to landmark.
Yeah, quickly she turns out.
Continue all the way down the runway left on Gulf and the landmark. Have a good day.
Down the Gulf and into landmark. I need to go to ground?
No, sir, I'm working everything.
Roger that.
I'm going to give you some more flaps here. You feel that slowing down there? Yeah. You feel a little wind kind of getting deflected over the building, so you feel a few bumps here and there. It's not a big deal. I just kind of keep that center line between your legs, pull back a little bit. There you go. We'll just level off right here. Let things slow down. Come on back. Slow pitch back. Pull up, pull back. Come on back, come on back. All right, ready to go? Full throttle. All the way in. All the way in. Yep, looking good. 55. Pitch up. Pull back, pull back, pull back. There we go. Woohoo! Go left. Let me see. Tower, you want us left or right traffic circuit?
Romeo left or right, your choice, and Romeo 27 clear for the option.
27 clear option circuit. We'll take the left side. All right, here we go. Alright, we're going to put your hand on the throttle there. And just pull the power all the way back. Alright, pull back on the nose. Just kind of look at the horizon there. Just feel how fast you're sinking. Pull back. Come on back, come on back, come on back. Come on back.
Lakefront Tower, good afternoon. 20039 over the causeway inbound Zulu.
Cessna 20039 Lakefront Tower, make straight in, runway 18 right.
Straight in, 18 right, 039.
So the flaps are doing it? No, flaps are just...
Zero Romeo, you done?
Yes, sir.
Zero Romeo left on Foxtrot, taxi in the park, have a good night.
Nice. See if we can, I'll bring it around this way. Yeah, we'll park it in this spot facing out.